So our house where we bought when I was still single got flooded. So our house where we bought when I was still single got flooded because the gutter, that one that catches water when it rains, is actually already destroyed. So when we came here, since it has been flooding like weeks already, we didn't realize that all our things here were already flooded. Good thing there were only a few things left in this house, but still we have a lot of things. So yeah, we are trying to remove all the stuff here, transfer it to our apartment. That is the motorcycle of my husband. Technically, it's a small house. This was supposed to be used for Airbnb, but pandemic came, so a lot of things changed. So we realized that we didn't want this to be rented. Instead, we would want this to be transformed into a convenience store, since the village here is actually already has a lot of occupants. I believe there are already 3,000 occupants in this village itself. So it is really good. You have a really good market here. So yeah, probably we'll be removing that stuff there, the light. I even still have this one here. I feel so stressed, and good thing we managed to actually, remove the water already from the floor, but we still have to, arrange the stuff and probably throw all the other stuff that can't be used anymore. So we are back here in the house, and we brought a lot of stuff in here. So these are my husband's stuff. Most of my stuff is actually here in the apartment, and the ones left there were all his stuff, and still a few more there. So I'm not sure how I'm going to arrange all of these, because I don't know if these are all useful for him, but I will try my best to make his life easier for later, because for sure he will have a hard time segregating all his things here. Yeah, this is the problem when you have a lot of stuff and you have a small house. So definitely you've got to find a way to organize your things. The problem with my husband is that he loves to buy a lot of stuff, but he doesn't know how to arrange them or how to organize them. So we keep on fighting, because, you know, for me, I like to organize everything. Our house is actually full of his stuff already here, so probably I'll be giving away some of those things here that are no longer useful, and we'll just leave those that are really for us here. Alright, so it is time to declutter. Let me just have my coffee. It is almost 4 o'clock here in the afternoon, and before my husband comes back, I have to make sure that I have removed some stuff here already. What is this? Oh my god, a receipt. This was a receipt. Okay. This was a receipt when he bought a bag. Can't even see anything here anymore, but I can see like a little bit here. This is 2,500 reals. So you multiply that by 15. So that was the amount of the bag that he actually bought for me, Salvatore Ferragamo. We actually have this kind of ritual. Well, actually, this is just for him. He used to give me something like expensive, any luxury, most of the time luxury bags and wallets when we were still in Qatar during our anniversary. So he used to buy for me. And for me, I am also the kind of person who doesn't like to spend so much on myself. So what I usually do is that I normally, well, during anniversary, we just make some letter. I buy stuff. Yes, I do give something for him, but not so expensive. And he knows that, because I'm the kind of person who actually stingy. Yeah, I would accept that. No, I'm not stingy. I think I'm frugal. There's two different things. So yeah, these are his watch collection. He didn't want this to take it here because he's scared that there might be people who's gonna break in the house. Hopefully not. But because in our subdivision, or in the village that we used to live, there were security guards, and we have camera. Well, actually here we also have a camera, so I don't think someone would even try to break in the house. So I found a notebook. Some of these for sure I would have to throw away because these are all trash already. So from now on, probably I'll be just, you know, turning off the whole thing. Not really turn off, but I will not be talking from here on because I will be fixing or organizing all the stuff here. So see you later, okay? You know what? I felt bad because we have a karaoke and it also got, you know, it's soaking wet. So I'm not sure if this is still working, but I'm gonna let it dry outside. You know, we Filipinos love karaoke. And so every time we have friends, we just take this one out. I just hope this still works. I brought this from Qatar, but I bought it here in the Philippines. I think when I was still 1 or 2 years flying. So yeah, this is what happened when you have a lot of stuff and you don't know where you put them. Now I realize I have a karaoke. I thought I brought it here already, but when I saw this that it was there and was one of those stuff that got wet, I was so devastated. I just hope this one really still works. So for now, I probably will not be touching anything here because I don't know which one is still useful for him. So I'm just gonna take the other stuff that I know that I for sure will not be. Okay, this one is also a microphone actually. So these are shoes. And this one, we have two. Laundry. In the laundry now before he arrives. So these are actually his company uniform. Not really uniform, but it has their company logo before where he used to work. I'm gonna laundry this so that we can give it away if we have to. I am actually the kind of person who just dispose everything if I feel like I don't really use them anymore. If I don't need them, I either dispose it or I give it away so other people can actually use it. I actually finished already mopping the floor this morning, and I normally just keep it with bleach and then at night or in the afternoon, like, ouch. Yeah, at night or in the afternoon, I normally just rinse it with water. Been raining every night already, so it's rainy season now. So one of our retirement plan is this apartment. For now, since we are still not retired, the income of the apartment is actually, it goes to our parents for now. And then sooner or later, when we become old and we can't really, you know, do anything anymore and create other income, then this will be one of our main sources of income. So I would say it is one of the greatest achievements that we have, because the good thing is that we are not paying any mortgage anymore. Yes, we are paying other stuff like our car and our truck, but those are for business use. But this one, good thing, our two houses, the one that you actually saw earlier, is already fully paid off, and also this one is also paid off. So technically, we are no longer, um, we don't have any payments every month allotted for this. So whatever income we have right now goes to our parents, and then whatever income that we have in the farm and with the truck, it goes to us in paying for the bills and stuff like that. So yeah, it was a good decision. The problem is that if we continue to work in Qatar, probably we will not be able to, be as aggressive as this, because by that time maybe we are already a bit old, so we will not be like this. The reason why we are very aggressive right now when it comes to investing and building our own business is because we are still very young, and if there are any mistakes, we can still afford them. Not like when you come back here and start your own business and you're already old. It's probably a little bit different already, because you don't want to, put all your money just to invest on a business that you don't know if it will really work. So yeah, this is why we're expanding like after a year, because we know the capability and we know that we can still manage the the business itself.